What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, and thanks for watching. For today's video, we're going to be kind of all over the place, but I think I'm going to film like 2 different separate videos and then upload them like today and tomorrow. But I just pulled the car out the garage. It's a little cold today. The other day I was driving the car to work because the weather was nice and the kidney grill flew off, so I guess it wasn't clipped in properly or anything like that. Luckily for me, they're only like 30 bucks on Amazon. Also got a package in the mail from BAV Group Designs, basically the company where I got the halos from. They sent me a new Bluetooth model because I'll show you guys real quick. I guess that'll be the first topic for the video, just the BAV Group Designs halos. What do I think about it, the review, and how to use them and wire them up and everything like that. So basically you wire them up to the stock Halo wires, or the stock Angel Eye wires, and then everything's controlled through this app, and then they're 2 different ones, but you can group them together. And so what my issue was, one of the Bluetooth modules wasn't acting right, so I just turned it on to red. So that's what it's supposed to look like, but this one isn't really like showing red. So I hit them up, and they have a 1-year warranty anyways, so they just sent me another replacement module. I'm gonna put that in right now, but that's pretty cool. You can just kind of control, you know, everything through the app. Just do green for St. Patrick's Day, red, blue, whatever. And there's all kinds of like functions too, like you can have them flash, change colors. Let's do red strobe. That might get you in trouble. Change 7 colors. There's also a function where it like goes off of like music too, which is kind of cool if you're into that type of stuff. But for now, we're just gonna switch out that small Bluetooth module and then get the colors to show the right colors. The nice thing about BAV Group is everything was pretty much plug and play with these nice little harnesses. And this is the Bluetooth controller that would just plug into the harness, and hopefully it'll fix my issue. I just wanted to interrupt the video real quick. YouTube, my channel is growing and you guys are watching the videos, so please, if you're one of my subscribers, just let me know what you're trying to watch. I'm trying to get like 1 week or 1 video a week uploaded. So I invested $20 into the channel. I know it's a big deal, a lot of money, but I was tired of like just putting my phone on like the trash can on trash can day. But I got this new GoPro clip from Amazon, and now when I'm doing like the in-car footage when I'm drifting, I used to have like a suction mount and I put it on my sunroof, but all you can see is like the rearview mirror. So now it's gonna sit lower and I'm gonna clip it onto the bucket seat, and hopefully the footage should be better. But anyways, thanks for watching. Alright, so it's a little cold outside, but we got the Bluetooth module on and plugged everything up, so now we just gotta play with the phone and connect it. Showing a good sign because yellow is yellow, blue is blue, and red is red. Basically with the new Bluetooth driver, it's gonna register as a new device. So I already did this off camera, but it'll pop up here, and then what you want to do is just add a group, or long press it, and then move to a group. But I already did that, so let's just go ahead and click on the group. And now let's do red. So this one was working before, and this one was kind of like that white pink red, but now it's showing true red. Hopefully the camera picks it up well. Blue, green, kind of like the yellow. Blue looks sick too. Yep, just a quick video today. It took like 10 minutes. I just wanted to get it done because it was kind of annoying that one was red and then one was like red pink, but now it looks solid. And then hopefully that gives you an idea of what like the app looks like. It's just like magic light. I know a lot of like RGB type lights use that app. I used it for like underglow one time too, so it's pretty cool. You can kind of group everything and then they play with all the functions. But anyways, quick little short video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.